Hey there, I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. Do you find yourself in need of canceling your Lumen5 subscription only to find out they give you multiple options to change your subscription? Wait, now I'm confused. And I know if I'm confused, you might be too, so stick with me and we'll figure this out. The reason we bought Lumen5 is because Kim and I recently took on the task of finding the best AI video maker to replace our beloved Vidnami since it was shut down in August of 2021. After weeks of searching, buying, testing, making videos, and comparing, we were finally able to compile our findings and we presented it to you with our 11 best Vidnami's alternatives video. If you want to check out that video, I will link it in the description below, along with links to all of the videos and pages that I referenced throughout this video. While you're down there, be sure to check out the link for the one simple strategy that makes $200 to $500 a month. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. We bought most of these so that we could test them and review them for you, and now we're paying monthly for them, and we just don't need them all. So we've got to start canceling the ones that didn't make the top. With Lumen5, we did purchase it, we tried it, we made some videos, we posted the review videos of it for you, and unfortunately, Lumen5 came in at number 3 for us. It would have been number 2, except for 2 factors. At present, it does cost $20 more than our top 2, and it only had 1 auto voice in beta. A selection of auto voices and languages was very important for us, so that's why it just didn't work out with Lumen5. Today I'm going to take you with me live and in real time as I cancel my Lumen5 subscription. If you have any Lumen5 technical questions, subscription questions, or anything other than what I am doing here today, please reach out to Lumen5 support. It is right here on the bottom right on all of their pages. They have a very quick response time and they are super helpful. Even when I had a silly question, they were patient and helped me out. After today, I will not have access to Lumen5 any longer. Make sure you reach out to support if you need help from them. Now, if you don't know this about me, I'll let you know I have to research everything. So before I started to cancel Lumen5, I did some research. I did just want to do a search on how to cancel my subscription. When I did that, I realized that they have changing your subscription. They actually give you 3 separate options. You can cancel, pause, or delete your account. I wanted to know what each one of those entailed, so if we delete our account, you will remove every video you've created and leave the account inaccessible. If you are on a paid subscription, the deletion process will also unsubscribe you from your paid plan. So that's option number 1. Option number 2 is actually pausing your subscription. If you just need a break from your billing, they can do that too. You can pause your account for up to 3 months from the same page. Or you can go with the third option, which is actually canceling your Lumen5 account. Cancellations are effective at the end of your current billing cycle, at which time you will only have access to features on the free plan. Any rendered videos will not be affected, and you can still view and download videos which are created under the paid plan. However, duplicating or editing these videos will result in default free features like Lumen5 branding being applied to the new draft. Now that I know my options, I simply want to cancel Lumen5 because I want to keep all of the videos that I currently have. So the first thing you'll do is come into Lumen5 and go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go up to the top right where your name shows and go into account settings. Next to account settings on the top tab, to the left of that, go into billing. And now you can see on our plan, we have 3 options. We can change our plan, we can pause our subscription, or we can cancel our subscription. Let's cancel our subscription. And they tell us expressly what will happen when I cancel. Our billing cycle is January 7th, and at the end of that billing cycle, our account will lock all premium features. The videos published before then will have access to the premium features, but any edits after this date will be limited to free options. I did send them a private message as to why I was canceling. I'm just going to put other here and finish canceling. So now our cancellation is confirmed. I will get an email shortly, and our plan subscription will be canceled on January 7th. I hope this how to cancel your Lumen5 subscription video helped you out. If it didn't, let me know in the comments below. Remember, while you're down there, to check out our description for links to all of the videos and pages that I referenced throughout. And while you're down there, be sure to check out our one simple strategy that makes $200 to $500 a month. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, Subscribe and hit that notification bell. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.